Okay, I have 178, and it's Canary Islands, so it's not number 3. So I need your prefix. I need your prefix, please. Your prefix. 3, 4, 34, 34, 34, and the letters. Now I need your letters, please. I don't have your letters properly. So 34 question mark 178. 34 question mark 178. Roger. Roger, Roger. So I got your call sign now. 34 Alpha Tango 178. 34 Alpha Tango 178. And your signal report is 3 by 1 with USB. 3 by 1 with USB. Roger. Okay, I didn't get your name. I didn't get your name properly. So the handle here, the name is Patrick. The name is Patrick. Roger. Okay, I think your name is Teco. The name is Teco. So is that correct? Okay, my personal name is Patrick. My personal name is Patrick. Roger. Berto. Negative, I didn't hear it. Would you repeat, please? Oh, my call sign. My call sign is 9 Papa Alpha Tango 4417. My call sign 9 Papa Alpha Tango 4417. Papa Alpha Tango. Roger. QSL, QSL, QSL. Thank you very much, Berto, for the 3 by 5. Thank you very much for the 3 by 5. It's a bit hard, but thank you for the patience, Roger. QSL, QSL. So thank you very much, Berto. And I will let you go. And thank you for the Canary Island. It's the first time I reach you on the air. So my best wishes for the new year. 34 Alpha Tango 178. 34 Alpha Tango 178. Thank you very much. This is 9 Papa Alpha Tango 4417 clear. Thank you, 73. Bye bye.